Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm looking at an Orbital sander by Einhell. It's supposed to be an expert, 18 volt, it's got variable speed, some details about the sanding sheets and the sander itself. Comes with no battery, so bare unit. I'll put the price on screen now. There's all the details of instructions, that kind of thing on the back of it. As usual, comes well packaged. Right, let's get the main event out, shall we? There's the collection, for the dust. It's a good option to have. Feels really good in the hand. Surprising, a little bit heavier than I thought, but that's not always a bad thing. Yeah, it does feel really nice, really good quality. Just slide your battery on the back of it. That slides on nicely as well. Comes with the warranty card as usual. So it's got like a dust-proof switch. That's a really good idea, that. Really, really good idea. And you can also pop your Hoover on it as well if you want to use your Hoover instead of that collection. There's the sanding disc. Just giving you the one disc, which I think is a little bit tight. They could have just given you at least a couple, in my opinion. But there you go, it is what it is. Just the boring instructions. Right, I think it's time to get a battery on it now, and let's give it a go. First thing is just putting a sanding disc on it. Take the tag off. I'll pop the dust collector on it, or dust bag, whatever you want to call it. One thing I like about it, it's got variable speeds as well, which is a good option, so it gives you more control. Get that battery on it. Let's turn the speed up. Come down. Yeah, it looks well. Never really used one before, so looking forward to giving it a good try out. Right, let's give it a go, shall we? Let's go try and sand down these edges, make them nice and smooth, see what of a good job it makes. Bit of an awkward for camera angles on this one, but you'll see in a minute what the finished product looks like a bit close up. It's also quite hard to clamp the piece of timber down, because obviously it puts vibrations through it and like knocks it, so but it's just a quick test, quick demonstration. It does feel really nice in the hand. It does feel very good quality. Feeling really smooth now. Just go on the other end. Like I said, it would be nice just to have another sheet really as a spare, but it is what it is. It's not expensive. So here's the results. Very, very nice and smooth. All the edges are really smooth, looking good. Really happy with it. Would I suggest buying it? Yeah, definitely. I think it's definitely worth the money. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon in the next one. See ya.